ideal ego, ego ideal, and superego. Ideal ego is simply the idealized image of myself, how I would like to appear. But ideal ego, but ego ideal is the agency whose gaze I try to impress with my ego image. When I try to appear beautiful, attractive, it's always for some presupposed gaze that I am acting. The superego is something different, is revengeful, sadistic, punishing agency. It's a cruel, insatiable agency which bombards me with impossible demands and mocks my failed attempts to meet these demands. The agency in the eyes of which I am all the more guilty, the more I try to suppress my strivings and meet superego demands. That's, as Freud saw it clearly, the paradox of superego. The more you obey its commands, the more you are guilty.